Hello, citizens. Imagine a loved one dies falling from a train, but the government denies compensation because their ticket was lost in the chaos.
That's what Lata faced when her husband Chandrakant died. The tribunal and High Court threw out her claim for this exact reason.
Wait, just because a piece of paper went missing, they assumed he was a fraud?
Yes, the railways argued Section 229 defines a passenger strictly as someone with a valid ticket. But she took Lata versus Union of India to the Supreme Court.
How do you even fight that? How do you prove a ticket existed when it's gone?
This is where the court dropped the hammer. Under the Rina Devi doctrine, they said the family only needs to file a sworn affidavit.
So filing that one document shifts the burden of proof. Now the railways has to prove he wasn't a passenger.
Spot on. Section 124A creates no fault liability. As a welfare state under Article 38, laws must help victims, not trap them in technicalities.
I love that. But how could the railways ever prove a negative? Here is the brilliant plot twist. The court weaponized the Indian Railway Commercial Manual against them.
Hold on, the judges used the government's own rulebook?
Exactly. The manual requires staff to check tickets at the gates. The court ruled if you failed that administrative duty, you cannot use your own failure to deny a widow 8 lakh rupees. What a mic drop! So for everyone listening, losing a ticket doesn't erase your rights. Just file that affidavit.
Precisely. And for lawyers, don't just argue statutes. Audit the government's internal manuals and use them to shift the evidentiary burden.